Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making saffron and rose ice cream. It's a Persian ice cream and I tried in LA, so I'm trying to recreate that recipe. So let's start. So first I'm going to soak the saffron in hot water. So let it soak it in hot water. And now I got 1 cup heavy cream, and I'm going to blend the heavy cream. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of condensed milk, as sweet condensed milk, and I'm going to blend them together. Now I'm adding saffron water, and 1 spoon rose water. And now I'm going to mix it all together. So now I'm going to freeze it in a freezer for about at least minimum 8 hours. And now it's been 8 hours and our ice cream is ready. And now I'm going to garnish with some edible rose petal. And some pistachio. And you can see how beautiful it looks. It's very easy. Try it at home. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.